7 Kansas City gang members have been indicted as part of a nationwide sweep by the Department of Justice. The 7 members of the Click Clack gang are charged with conspiracy to distribute crack cocaine and illegal firearms. 3 of the guns seized from the gang were used in shootings, 1 in a homicide, according to police. The Jackson County prosecutor says eliminating gangs eventually means eliminating most violent crime.
Well over 50% of the violent crime cases that we see have some kind of gang nexus. That's why initiatives like this are so important to the safety of this community, and I'm thrilled that the Department of Justice is taking this stance.
In the past 8 days, federal prosecutors have charged 53 members of the 38th Street gang in L.A. and 3 members of the Crips, Bloods, and Gangster Disciples in Memphis.